Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I have the new GAN 12 UI Maglev. Now, whenever there's a cube that's very similar to one that came out before, I'm very apprehensive about making a video because I don't know what else new to do with it. But I opened up the box and a lot of things look different. So let's check it out. First off, feels like there's a lot in here. Give a charging cable, tensioning tools, a bag, thing to remove the caps. This box is different. So we have USB-C in the back that they gave us a cable for. When we open it up, interesting. So there's holes in the center here. There's no longer the grooves for the robot. That's fascinating. But there are dots on the other caps. And the dots don't actually do anything. So if I try to put it in here, nothing happens. I think it's just to match aesthetically, which is nice. I like that. This is UV coated. This feels very light. Let's check this out. 68.5 grams. That is quite light.
Charging time, 2.5 hours. Battery life, about 15 hours. Okay, enough for like a full day of solving.
Ooh, that is. There we go. That's very auto-complete-y. Oh, there's a new Cubestation app. So the one I was using was not the new one. So if anyone is a developer, is there a reason for just making a whole new app instead of updating the old one? What is the reasoning behind that? Because I feel like I've downloaded a dozen different apps for different smart cubes when half of those were the same company, the same ones. That's been the easiest login I have seen in a long time. Yeah, I'll do without lubrication first. We are first we're gonna go to training. Timer, smarts. What are these? I feel like I can turn this so fast because of how light it is. So is this just the timer? I think this is just the timer. Man, super light cubes are really not my thing. I do, like I said earlier, just a minute ago, I do feel like I can turn a lot faster with it. Arena match? Okay, let's do the warm-up. There's a lot of new stuff here. Where's that time trial? Christopher. Round 1. That looks like an AI or a robot, like scrambling the puzzle. It does not look like a real person. Shoot. The fact that it showed the cube solved makes me think Christopher's not real. A couple things about this. The battery lasts about 15 hours, which is a good amount of time for needing a recharge. Now that's not as much as the ones that are installed that are not rechargeable, but I say more than enough time. And this case, this feels sturdy. Like this is probably the most, the nicest looking case I've seen. The app is updated really well. There's a lot of people on it. I think that's the biggest benefit with the GAN puzzles is there's so many people on the app that you're always finding different competitors. I would like to see like other games or things like that with it, but other than that, I'm really happy with it. This is a very light puzzle. This is a GAN 12 type puzzle. It doesn't feel like the heavier, old school, I-carry-S situation, which I usually like. My best times almost ever, possibly ever, were with the GAN I Carry S, I believe it was. Maybe it was the 2. I'm not quite sure which one it was anymore. But I really like those feeling. This is incredible though. So as far as the puzzle that I think has the most app users and an enjoyable puzzle solving experience, this is it. So this is the new 12 Maglev. I'll put a link in the description where you can get it. If it's not out already at Speedcube Shop, it should be there soon. Please leave your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by Speedcube Review for more news and reviews. Okay, so a couple things about this. The battery. Okay, let's try that again.